Going towards the next important compound of sodium, that is sodium chloride. It is also known as common salt or table salt. This NaCl is mostly found in seawater and salty lakes. Salty lake and seawater has abundance of this NaCl. So talking about the preparation of this sodium chloride, a very simple method is involved. The seawater is taken out and it is evaporated, and finally our salt is left behind. But that salt which is left behind after evaporation of water is not totally pure to be used directly in our food. So sea water and salty lake contain NaCl. Seawater contain approximately 2.7% to 2.9% of this NaCl. When seawater goes through the process of evaporation, salt is left behind, but this salt which is left behind is not प्योर, ये पूरी तरह से प्योर नहीं होता है जिसे हम डायरेक्टली यूज़ कर सकें. So what are the impurities which are present in it? That impurities are the impurities which are present in the salt include MgSO4 magnesium sulfate, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, CaCl2 calcium chloride. These are some of the impurities which are present in the salt after being obtained from the process of evaporation. These impurities are of both nature, soluble and insoluble. Soluble and insoluble, both kind of impurities are found. Soluble impurities as well as insoluble. To remove insoluble impurities, filtration is done. Filtration is sufficient to remove the impurities which are insoluble. Now finally the soluble impurities are left behind, and to remove this soluble impurities, the filtrate which is left behind, यानी filtration से हमने जो भी impurities insoluble थी उसे remove कर दिया. अब फाइनली जो फिल्ट्रेट बचा, यानी कि फिल्ट्रेशन के बाद जो भी हमें मिला वो सब अब उसके अंदर सब के सब soluble impurities हैं. So for the removal of this soluble impurities, we have to pass HCl gas over that filtrate. As HCl gas is passed over that filtrate, this soluble impurities is also removed and we get pure HCl. Next, the salt which we use in our daily life is the pure salt, but it is not 100% pure. Little bit MgCl2 and CaCl2 is left behind. पूरी तरह से इसे हम लोग रिमूव नहीं कर पाते हैं, ये दोनों इम्प्योरिटी के फॉर्म में थोड़ा बहुत रह ही जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर soluble nature. They have good solubility in water, and due to its soluble nature, it is left behind after purification also. Now discussing further some of the properties of this NaCl common salt. First property is that it is hygroscopic in nature. Hygroscopic is one of the property in which the substance absorb the moisture when left exposed. अगर किसी सब्सटेंस को हमने ऐसे ओपन खुले में छोड़ दिया, उसने क्या किया, अपने में मॉइस्चर को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया, तो इस मॉइस्चर को एब्जॉर्ब करने की प्रॉपर्टी को हाइग्रोस्कोपिक बोलते हैं. NaCl इज हाइग्रोस्कोपिक, बट प्योर 100% प्योर NaCl के अंदर ये हाइग्रोस्कोपिक नेचर नहीं होता है, हमें ध्यान रखना है. ये हाइग्रोस्कोपिक नेचर NaCl में कहाँ से आया? ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ दीज टू इम्प्योरिटीज. हाइग्रोस्कोपिक नेचर कैसे है? ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस of MgCl2 and CaCl2। इट मीन्स कि अगर ये दोनों भी पूरी तरह से रिमूव हो जाए तो फिर वो जो प्योर सॉल्ट होगा उसके अंदर ये नेचर नहीं रहेगा। नेक्स्ट, this common salt NaCl when combined with AgNO3 silver nitrate, double displacement reaction takes place. The sodium goes with nitrate ions and forms sodium nitrate, and precipitate of AgCl is prepared. AgCl precipitate down. Some of the uses of this common salt. One common use, we all know that it is used in our food. Next, used as preservative when we used to make pickles or fishes, meat. These all substances are preserved by putting lots of salt in it that prevent bacterial growth and spoilage of our food. Other than this, freezing mixture is also obtained with the help of NaCl। NaCl के साथ आइस को जब हम लोग मिला देते हैं तो that mixture is known as freezing mixture that prevent ice from melting very early। So this are some of the information of the important compound of sodium, that is sodium chloride।